Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the defrost control board in a hot point refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair, should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver and a Phillip screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new defrost control board. The defrost control board is located at the top of the fresh food section inside the control panel. It times the freezing and the defrost cycles by turning the compressor off and switching the defrost heater on and then back. The heater melts the frost off of the evaporator coils, preventing it from freezing over. If the temperature inside the fresh food section is way too warm and the rear cover panel in the freezer is iced up, check and replace the defrost control board if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. For better access to the part, I'm going to remove the top shelf. The defrost control board that we are replacing is located inside of this control panel. We need to remove it to get to the part, and there's 1 and 2 Phillip screws that hold this assembly in place. So we need to take this plug out so we can get to the screw. I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to pry this out. Okay. Now I'm going to use the Phillip screwdriver. I'm going to take out the two screws that holds this control panel. Hold down to the panel. Slowly let it down. And now I'm going to disconnect this plug here. There's 2 locking tabs on the sides. I'm going to press it in and pull it apart. Now I'm going to take this control panel to the table, to the desk, and we're going to continue replacement. Alright, so let's place it on the table so we can work on it. And now I'm going to remove this sensor bulb. It's our cold control. It's on the way. I'm going to slightly put it aside. Now again, pull out this box. Our control board is inside the box. So I'm using the flat blade screwdriver to remove this plastic clip. Put it aside, don't throw it away. Now we can lift the top. Okay, we're going to work around the harness. Take it out. And here our control board right there. We need to remove one more clip right there, the plastic clip. I'm using the same technique. Now we can lift out this control board. I'm going to unplug it, press the tab, pull it out, and now I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to remove this plug. This is the old defrost control board next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so let's install the new control board. I'm going to plug this in, the black one first. Then the smaller one. So I can install the control board on these 2 pins, and then I'm going to lock it with this clip here on this side. Alright, so we're going to put it in and bring the cover, and we're going to place the cover on. As you can see, we are missing one locking pin here right in that opening in the corner. So I'm going to bend the sensor tube slightly and install it into the groove. And it's ready to go back into the fridge. Okay, so I'm going to bring in this assembly. Alright, so I'm going to plug this first. Alright, make sure it's locked. And I'm going to turn it and place it on. Okay, hold it. And I'm going to install a couple of screws to secure it. I'm going to use the same Phillip screwdriver. I'm going to tighten that screw first. And I'm going to install the second screw. And I'm going to tighten the front one. And I'm going to place this plug back into this opening and press it in. Now I can install this top shelf back. Slide it on. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.